हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जेके शॉर्ट एंड प्लेनेट। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम करने जा रहे हैं शॉर्ट एंड ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज नंबर 33 फ्रॉम द मैगजीन स्पीडोग्राफी बाय डॉक्टर जी.डी बिस्ट वॉल्यूम 1। सो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, शुरू करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 33 की शॉर्ट एंड ट्रांसक्रिप्शन। एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट होती है सर कॉमा इवन दाउ आई डू नॉट अग्री विद द मूवर ऑफ दिस रेजोल्यूशन I would like to thank you एक साथ लिखेंगे for giving me this opportunity and the house to discuss fully our failure in agricultural front which according to him has ठीक है फ्रेंड, has resulted in creating more unemployment and rise in prices, full stop. A proposal has been moved to amend this resolution according to which it has been stated that those who are unemployed should be given some allowance, full stop. At the same time, essential items such as food, एक साथ लिखेंगे such as food, clothing and shelter should be made available हम इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं, available at reasonable prices to those who belong to fixed income groups, full stop. While moving the resolution, the honorable member has taken the stock in detail, quoting all possible figures, and naturally most of them are from government records, so I do not want to challenge the figures, इसके बाद full stop है. While I was listening to his speech, I felt as though I was going through our own document that we produced and presented to the house. इस तरीके से लिखेंगे हम. after the midterm appraisal, इस तरीके से ऑफ द फोर्थ प्लान ऑफ द फोर्थ प्लान, एक साथ लिख देंगे इस तरीके से, फोर्थ प्लान फुल स्टॉप, द प्लानिंग कमीशन इसके बीच में लिखेंगे, एंड द गवर्नमेंट इस तरीके से लिखेंगे, हैव वेरी फेयरली एक्सेप्टेड, हैव वेरी फेयरली एक्सेप्टेड इन द हाउस इस तरीके से, दैट द फोर्थ प्लान envisaged a target of about 8 to 10% इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, और हम 8 to 10% इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं, of the industrial growth full stop. However, comma, it was not possible, and the industrial growth was between 5 to 6%, for some years, full stop. Thereafter, comma, we have seen that there was further stagnation, but I am happy, एक साथ लिखेंगे, to say today that during the past few months, as per our information, there is a new activity, and I am sure that with the several measures that are already undertaken by the government, and by the Ministry of Industrial Development, and by the Ministry of Industrial Development, comma, it will be possible for us, इस तरीके से लिखेंगे, to again bring proper speed and proper pace, so far as industrial growth is concerned, full stop, paragraph change. Friends, अब लास्ट पैराग्राफ हमारा, सर कॉमा when I was listening to his speech, comma, I felt that he has not done due justice to our agricultural progress कुछ ऐसे लिखेंगे इस तरीके से, progress, and particularly to the agriculturists in our country, full stop. To say that we have not made any progress whatsoever is challenging the very reality which exists in our country, full stop. We have made good progress in producing cereals, comma, but cash crops have not shown any improvement, full stop, close. So friends, ये थी शॉर्ट हैंड ट्रांसक्रिप्शन एक्सरसाइज नंबर 33 की। आई होप कि आपको ये ट्रांसक्रिप्शन अच्छे से समझ आई होगी। आप इसकी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। कोई भी अगर डाउट हो तो आप नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के जरूर बताएं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। हैव अ नाइस डे।